Enriqueta, Montilla de Esteban Memorial High School. Learning success through EMEMHS education. The EMEMHS mission is to protect and promote the right of every Filipino to quality, equitable, culture-based, and complete basic education, where students learn in a child-friendly, gender-sensitive, safe, and motivating environment. Teachers facilitate learning and constantly nurture every learner. Administrators and staff, as stewards of the institution, ensure an enabling and supportive environment for effective learning to happen. Family, community, and other stakeholders are actively engaged and share responsibility for developing lifelong learning. EMEMHS vision. We dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competencies enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. As learner-centered public institution, the Department of Education continuously improves itself to better serve its stakeholders.
Good day! Here at Enriqueta, Montilla de Esteban Memorial School, we believe that learners will not get sick if the school environment is clean, have adequate and clean water supply, if the learners are educated on the proper hygienes, and if the learners know how to avoid habits that will endanger their safety. Thus, having an effective hand washing in school or SBM WinS is our utmost priority, because we believe that when learners have adapted hand washing with soap and have observed proper hygienes, this will become a habit which will be practiced in their respective homes. This simple yet powerful habit can make a difference in every Filipino lives. Rest assured that with the efforts of the teachers, parents, local government units, other stakeholders, and of course, the students, we will continue with our commitment to be compliant with the standard set by the SBM WinS, and will make sure that EMEMHS is a school where students are safe and clean, so that we can continue to ladder success through EMEMHS education.
Water. Water, nearly 70% of the world is covered by water. However, 2.5% of it is fresh water, and only 1% of our fresh water is easily accessible, which much of it happened in glacier and snowfields. Water does not merely help us survive, but is significant for our day-to-day functioning. Water helps us in our household chores, such as cleaning and washing. It also helps farmers for irrigation and cattle rearing activities, as well as industries for various purposes, such as cooling, manufacturing, and transporting several goods. It has also significant impact on human health, specifically on sanitation. Thus, as part of sanitation and hygiene, the Enriqueta Montilla de Esteban Memorial High School came up with hand washing stations or facilities accessible for students and teachers in keeping themselves clean and hydrated. Students are also taught to help in the conservation of our water resources. Sanitation. According to World Health Organization and UNICEF, globally, 946 million people still open defecate, 2.4 billion people lack access to basic sanitation, 663 million lack access to basic water sources, and diarrhea is the second leading cause of death in children under 5, much of which is preventable by clean water and sanitation. Sanitation is one of the salient aspects of community well-being because it safeguards human health, increases life expectancy, and is documented to provide benefits to the economy. Sanitation, such as toiletries, latrines, mechanized water treatment, is presently situated as a means of eliminating and treating human excreta to protect human health and environment, including bodies of water, especially those sources of drinking water. Thus, good sanitation must be imposed in all aspects to prevent the transmission of diseases such as cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid, and polio, and exacerbates stunting. Hygiene. Personal hygiene plays a major role to promote healthy life. In 2016, the Department of Education issued DepEd Order Number 10 stating policies and guidelines on the comprehensive water, sanitation, and hygiene in schools known as the WASH program. WASH in schools is a pathway to healthier schools and better performing children. For these reasons, the Enriqueta Montilla de Esteban Memorial High School is adapting and effectively implementing the DepEd WASH in schools to improve the well-being of students and the health of the broader community. The school is attended by almost 2,425 students from junior high school through senior high school. Hygiene education is included in the school curriculum. Positive hygiene behaviors, including correct use and maintenance of facilities, are systematically promoted among the staff and the students. Deworming. The Enriqueta Montilla de Esteban Memorial High School participates in the simultaneous National School Deworming Day of the Department of Health in partnership with the Department of Education. That is, to cure the high prevalence of children affected by intestinal parasitic infections, which may lead to cognitive impairment and malnutrition, among other complications. The teachers make sure that all their children were present in that day so that no one can be left behind. Teacher talk to the parents of the pupils to advise that all their children need to have full stomach before entering to the school, that they will serve as a precautionary measures in taking deworming medicine. Teachers facilitate the distribution of chewable tablets to the pupils with the assistance of health personnel. Gladly, this advocacy was very successful with the collaborative effort of everyone. Health and education, particularly for school-aged children, are truly closely interrelated, and effective learning cannot happen without the students being healthy. Health education. We all know that health education has become very important nowadays. It refers to a career where people are taught about healthcare. Health does not merely refer to physical, but also the mental, social, and sexual health. Health education aims to enhance health literacy and develop skills in people which will help them maintain good health. It is very essential for enhancing the condition of the overall health of different communities and people. It will also help in improving the health of the whole nation. You can also say that the economy of a country is directly proportional to health condition. In other words, it means that the higher the life expectancy, the better will be the standard of living.
Ooh.